G'day from Gili Trawangan in Indonesia. I'm Roxanne Taylor and I've come back here for the first time since the earthquakes. I'm keen to get down and have a look and see how the underwater landscape has changed. So I've come here for a week of diving and relaxation here at Mango Dive and Bungalow. Let's go. I got closer than I should have to one of the most venomous creatures in the ocean, found myself on the set of Finding Nemo and had an incredible freedive swim alongside a turtle. So make sure you watch until the end to see these incredible moments. There are dozens of dive centres to choose from across the 3 islands, most offering certification courses. I'm already advanced certified, so I did a week of fun dives. They're around the same price everywhere here, just under 500,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is less than $50 Australian, including all the gear hire, and you get a discount for 5 or more dives. I spent my week diving at Mango Dive because my good friend Ang is one of the local dive masters there, which makes it extra fun when your dive buddy is your actual buddy. There are 30 dive sites around the 3 Gili Islands. It's one of my favourite places to dive so far because the water is tropical warm, there's a good variety of things to see, and it feels quite protected and safe. First, let's go to Turtle Heaven, a sloped underwater pinnacle on the northern side of Gili Meno. Gili waters are known for turtles, with both green and hawksbills are plenty here. And I saw this sea snake. It's one of the most venomous ocean creatures, so better not get too close. Shark Point is one of my favourite sites because there's always so much to see here. The small reef sharks are unassuming and often chilling under the rocks. On this particular dive, I also saw more turtles, rays, batfish, a shipwreck, and this captivating jellyfish. Bio Rock starts close to shore. You can actually swim to the shallow part from the beach and duck dive down, so it's become popular for those fun Instagram shots. The artificial reef here, set up by the Gili Eco Trust, supports coral growth and it's fast growing, providing a great habitat for ocean creatures, like this beautiful whipray. I was drawn into him, but Ang reminded me not to become the next Steve Irwin, so this was as close as I got with my little GoPro. The best part of this dive was seeing not one but 5 royal blue tangfish, aka Dory from Finding Nemo. After my squeals of excitement, I was laughing at their erratic swimming pattern, reminding me of that famous scene. And then the whole cast was there, including Nemo's and Crush the Turtle. Yeah, dude. We saw lionfish, squid ink, but couldn't find the culprit, another ray, and much, much, much more. The final dive I filmed here was at Bounty, where I found some sleepy turtles. The coral gardens are absolutely teeming with fish. In moments like this, I wish I had a professional underwater housing kit for my video camera, but even the little GoPro did alright. I was just floating, suspended in the weightlessness of the water and just staring in absolute awe. I'd heard that some of the coral reefs were damaged in the earthquakes in 2018, but locals say it's just changed it, not made it worse.
After earthquake, for sure, there is something like a little bit different about underwater, but Gili is still like worth it to do diving anyway. Still a lot of things to see. The coral still like beautiful also, and then yeah, a lot of stuff to see. Chill dive, relax dives.
How's the underwater landscape changed?
There is some part just a little bit. Just like, especially from our dive center, there is like, yeah, a little bit like drop down a little bit after the earthquake, but still worth it.
Yes, I was freediving with a turtle just out here yesterday. You can hire snorkel sets, but I bought one and went for a swim off the beach outside Mango, and sure enough, I made a new friend in the water. This was such a magical moment that I won't forget. Thanks for tuning into my channel, Roxanne Taylor Media. Make sure you check out my other videos from here and around the world. And if you haven't already, click subscribe and the notification bell, and I'll see you again soon.